Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So this is happening now. Let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys, because something just happened out of nowhere. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Nasdaq rises slightly as Wall Street tries to recover after worst day since June 2020. The tech-heavy Nasdaq composite rose slightly in choppy trading on Wednesday as investors tried to find their footing after the biggest one-day drop in more than 2 years. The Nasdaq gained 0.3%. The S&P 500 was little changed. The Dow Jones dipped or less than 0.2%, guys. So what just happened out of the blue? So as we know, guys, the market did do what we expected for it to do, run up prior to CPI inflation data being reported. Soon as the report came out, we seen a big drop, and I expect the recovery to happen soon after. Today, we started to get that recovery, but now we're possibly about to see a pullback just to shake people out and just to go back up. It's going to be a lot of choppiness up and down, going, trying to fake people out, basically going in a bullish direction, quickly going bearish, quickly going bullish, doing that until it actually go into another short-term state, which is going to be a bullish state, just to go right back bearish unless the economy change drastically from where we're standing now, guys. So hope that makes sense in a nutshell to you. If it don't, it soon eventually will, because I know some people may say, oh, it's just up and down, up and down. No, I'm being very clear with what I'm stating. What I'm telling you guys is in the meantime, between time, before we go into a bullish direction with it, which is going to be short term, we're going to see a lot of back and forthness of a bullish looking market, then a bearish looking market, bullish, bearish, just the psychological points of the market going into play, and market makers trying to confuse investors before actually turning it in the way I believe it's going to go, which is going to be bullish short term before going right back bearish. Because like I said, we're not done with this state of the market unless the economy changes drastically from where we stand at. And so out of the blue, guys, Bitcoin just broke below $20,000. As we know, Bitcoin came down to 19,600, just tanked within a matter of minutes. And we know once Bitcoin starts to fall drastically or fall period, go into a bearish state, best believe the market is going to come right behind it, guys. But like I told you just now in a nutshell, what I believe is going to happen with the market, the same thing is going to happen with Bitcoin. So that's one of the things you want to pay attention to. The next big thing is the only stock in my portfolio right now that is doing something and holding people up or holding myself up is the stock that we called out, guys. We got backlash on it yesterday. People was mad, wasn't hating because it didn't do what we need to do on yesterday. But if you listen to details, you still in on it because it didn't break below 5, which would have kept you in your position, and now you would have been up significantly. And now we're starting to move like crazy. But anyways, it's up over 31%. If you went VIP, you would have already been up on this play. We alerted it yesterday, we alerted today, we alerted this morning. We kept reminding you because we knew with confidence that the play was going to work out how we expected it to. Even if it didn't, we only would have lost 30 cents, 50 cents per share, but the upside potential is what? 2, 3, $5 per share. So you do the math, you do the risk to ratio. So anyways, guys, we sitting at $6.81. We see MEGL, Magic Empire Global Limited, it's up over 32%, steady running, guys. This bad boy is at $6.90 now, steady running, guys. And if we go ahead and take a look right here, as we know, we have alerted this at $5.37, guys. And just so you guys can know exactly how I protect you guys and keep you safe, letting you guys know a plan. Like what I always be like, come up with a plan. But I was like, MEGL, high risk, high reward, set up, play defense at $5. If it drops below, sell everything. We know yesterday it was a bad day. The market was coming down and it still held up above 5. The low was 504. I was like, if it drops below 5, sell everything. And you only been selling for a small loss of a few cents. Look at the upside potential though, compared to that few cents loss. So you would have been making $2, $3, $4, $5 on the share. Right now you up $2 on the share, almost, when it hit 7.37. So I was like, if it holds above 5, it will run like hell, which I believe it's going to do. Sell target between $7 and $10, and basically we 10 pennies away from our first sell target. So it's been 100% successful investment with strategy behind it, letting you guys know exactly how to maneuver in that situation, whether it go for us or it go against us. But without a doubt in our mind, we knew it was going to go for us. That's the whole purpose of us even putting it on your radar. So anyways, you already know what to do. Get in VIP, add you both on, Instagram at The B Hayes Show. Hit me up for a phone call. I love you. We out, and God bless you. We go.